How to delete photos from Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you delete photos from Facebook. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Facebook app with your account. After you open Facebook, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, to view your every post or photos, simply tap on your profile picture just at the top left, and from your profile section you'll have to just scroll down from where you can find the picture or photos whom you want to delete. After you find it, simply tap on the three dots just at the top right, and from here simply tap on the option move to trash, and from here you'll be able to add that picture on your trash, like where it will remain for 30 days. After that, that picture will automatically delete it from your trash. Simply from here tap on move. Alright, as you can see, this is the way to delete photos or posts from Facebook. If you found this helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.